Hi there, hardworking peeps! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are not subscribed yet to our channel, please consider subscribing. So today I'm gonna discuss another home-based job video opportunity. So this company is called Rev. So kay Rev, we can apply either as a transcriptionist or as a captioner. For today, let's discuss on applying with Rev as a captioner. Then later on, I'll create another video as well about being a transcriptionist kay Rev. So first, you need to go to their website, which is rev.com/freelancers. Then you will be routed here in this page. So as you can see here kay Rev, you can have your own flexible work schedule. That means you can have your own schedule, you can work anytime you want. And you can also choose from hundreds of jobs, and you can get paid weekly kay Rev through PayPal. So weekly yung salary nila. So all you need to do, first step is of course to sign up. That's the form that you can see on your screen. You just need to fill out the details. But before that, I just want to give you a heads up. Ano ba yung mga job description for being a captioner? So guys, if you're familiar with being a transcriptionist, you're listening to audios and then you're going to convert those audios into text. So dito kay Rev, that still applies as a captioner. So as a captioner, your job is to watch videos and then convert those videos into text. So you're gonna convert the audio of that video into text, and at the same time, you're gonna place it on the video itself as a form of a caption or subtitle. So technically, as a captioner, you will still work on transcribing the audio for a specific video, and then you will place those transcribed audios into the specific video. So technically guys, parang magsa-subtitle ka dito kay Rev as a captioner. So yun yung nature ng work as a captioner. So to start with the application process guys, let's fill out the form needed. So fill out lang natin yung mga details na kailangan. The examination. If ever that you fail, you will have 45 days for you to be able to apply again dito kay Rev. And if ever that you will pass, they will send you the next instructions on how you can start earning dito kay Rev. So that will be all about our video for today for being a captioner with Rev. So if you think you're ready to apply dito kay Rev, feel free to do so. Go to their website, which is rev.com/freelancers, and then start the application process all the way throughout the examination. I'm wishing you all the best guys, and I hope that you pass this job post with Rev. And if you have questions, feel free to comment down below or message me personally for more information. If you're looking for more home-based jobs, check out the description box here in YouTube or check my playlist in my YouTube channel. I have posted a lot of legit paying home-based jobs or work-from-home websites. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if this helps you out, please leave a thumbs up by liking this video. You can also share this to your friends and family. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Bye!